This is the Caswell County Courthouse, 1861. Murder of J.W. Stevens here in 1870 led to martial law and the Kirk-Holden War. It was during the Reconstruction era, and I think the KKK was involved with it. Isn't that nice? Look at that cupola. This is Yanceyville. There's the fire department. And look at this. Isn't that nice? I like that upstairs part. And look, they have, is that tobacco? Corn. Can't tell. Well, let's see if they're open. And look at the huge doors. Go inside the old courthouse. Let's look at this quilt here. Look, they got a Tom Day chair. I guess he made that furniture. There's the courthouse, circa 1858. Red House Church, that's a famous historical church in the county. Here's the little town of Milton, which is one time was quite a large town in this section and county. All right, we're upstairs, going to the courtroom. And I presume that this is where the county commissioners now meet. Looks like a county commission set up. And this is the original courtroom. Been modified a bit. I guess that would be the judge's stand. Look at this little side room in here. Is this the judge's room? Retreat, I guess it is. Or maybe the jury. Maybe that was the jury's. Look at this, isn't this nice? Beautifully restored. I like that centerpiece lamp and the high windows with the round windows at the top, arched. I'm in the basement. Look at these stones in the foundation. Here's what they look like on the outside. Some of them are granite and some of them are, I don't know, sandstone. No, it couldn't be sandstone. It's got to be some form of slate or something. Nice fire department. And this is an old house down here too, in the back. There are plenty of old houses in Yanceyville and Caswell County. And the jailhouse is back here. Wow, look at all the water. Let's look at this house here. I don't know if anybody lives here or not. Isn't that nice? Isn't that a cool cupola clock tower? Most impressive. Public watering trough, originally on the square with water from a well located northwest. They have an arboretum down here. And this is the jailhouse. I was in the Oxford jailhouse a couple of days ago, the old one, 1906. Late 19th century two-story building, a Romanesque revival design. Stewart Jail Works Company in Cincinnati, Ohio. Served as a jail until 1973. Because jailers' families lived here in the jailers' quarters, there were many local stories of playing jack rocks on the smooth concrete floor and other old-fashioned games. Yanceyville's not very big. This is downtown. I think it's roughly 2,000 people that live here now. And they have an arboretum back here. That's where I'm going now. The Petite Schoolhouse, 1913 to 1922. If you see, I can squish my way down here and read the plaque. Old Petite School, 1900, built by the Petite family for the neighborhood school use. All right, here's the other side of the jailhouse. Imagine living in the jailhouse. Families living in the jailhouse. I guess you would get to meet some interesting characters as well as some creepy or scary characters as well. One-room schoolhouse. Okay, down to the arboretum. I like these benches too. 2 o'clock, according to the courthouse clock. Picnic area. I like the way they take cedar and make little embellishments, ornaments, rustic ornaments. So look, you got a stream flowing right in town here. Little creek right in town. Listen, I heard frogs. Yes. It means the spring is about to spring upon us. Listen. They are partying. It's about 65 today. This is February the 7th, I think. All right, let's look at the courthouse from this angle right here. Look at this light post. Listen to those frogs. They are celebrating. Oh, it's a pond. That's where all this noise is coming from. It's like a little pond. See if I can... Hey, look, they got mill wheels in there. Scared them. Come on, fellas. Sing some more. I scared them. Let's go over and check out the Confederate soldier. So they have this little square right in the center of town. And the new courthouse is down there. The War of 1861, 1865. Nice granite pedestal. There's the old theater. Look, the barber shop is open. And I got one of these, and it's on a cedar post. This is the old-fashioned hardware store here. Don't see many like this anymore, do you?
I know, you sure don't.
This is really nice.
We're happy to have you here today.
And look, kids, it's a typewriter. So this guy across the street is painting a mural. September 11th Memorial. Oh, okay, so this is some of the metal. Steel girder from the tower number 2. So right across the street there is the Richmond Simmons Museum. Look how they did the sidewalk here. Nice pattern.